Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Meguiars All Wheel Cleaner is probably one of the most essential products for any car enthusiast looking to maintain that showroom shine, as it's specifically formulated to tackle the toughest brake dust, road grime, and stubborn contaminants that accumulate on all types of wheel finishes, ensuring your rims not only look immaculate but are also protected from long-term damage, making it a crucial part of your detailing arsenal. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Gerbil Wheel and Rim Cleaning Brush. Meet the ultimate tool for a spotless shine. This brush is designed to make your wheels and rims gleam like new. Its soft, natural bristles are perfect for safely tackling brake dust, grime, and dirt. It reaches every nook and cranny without scratching delicate surfaces. Whether you have polished, painted, chrome, or powder-coated wheels, this brush is safe to use. It's also ideal for exhaust tips, tires, and engine bays. The long, soft bristles easily conform to intricate shapes and tight spaces. Get complete coverage and gentle cleaning where other brushes can't reach. Enjoy a comfortable and controlled detailing session with its ergonomic handle. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue, even during extended use. Join car enthusiasts and detailers worldwide who trust this brush. It delivers reliable cleaning power while protecting your vehicle's delicate surfaces. What we like. This brush is designed for those who prioritize the safety of their wheels. Its soft, natural bristles are perfect for delicate finishes like polished or chrome wheels, ensuring no scratches. If you have high-end or easily damaged wheels and are looking for a tool that cleans effectively without risking damage, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a great wheel cleaner that works on all types of wheels. It is safe to use on painted, chrome, and alloy wheels. It is easy to use and does not require any special equipment. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Signature Series Wheel Cleaner Spray. Tired of stubborn brake dust and road grime ruining your wheels? Introducing our Signature Series Wheel Cleaner, designed to tackle the toughest dirt. This powerful formula is safe for a variety of wheel finishes, including gloss, chrome, painted, powder-coated, and clear-coated surfaces. You can trust it to clean without causing damage. Watch as it effortlessly dissolves and lifts away baked-on brake dust. It makes cleaning your wheels a breeze, restoring their original shine. Beyond brake dust, it also effectively removes stubborn road grime and other contaminants. Keep your entire vehicle looking its best with this versatile cleaner. Achieve a brilliant, like-new shine on your wheels with minimal effort. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a show-quality finish. Simply spray it on, let it work its magic, and rinse away the dirt. It's an easy-to-use solution for a professional clean at home. What we like. This cleaner is ideal for maintaining a pristine look on a variety of wheel types. Its pH-neutral formula makes it safe for gloss finishes, chrome, painted, and powder-coated wheels, effectively tackling brake dust and road grime. If you're looking for a reliable, all-around cleaner that won't harm your wheels, this is a great choice. What people say. The Meguiars G55016 All Wheel Cleaner is a powerful formula that effectively removes brake dust and road grime without damaging clear coats or polished metal finishes. It is safe to use on all types of wheels, including chrome, polished aluminum, painted, and clear-coated wheels. The cleaner is easy to use, simply spray it on, let it sit for a minute, and then rinse it off with water. Number 3. Meguiars Guys Wheel Cleaner 18 ounces. Are your rims and tires looking dull and grimy? It's time to bring back their shine with our powerful cleaning solution. This effective cleaner effortlessly tackles brake dust and road grime. It's designed to restore the look of your wheels with ease. Our formula is safe and versatile for a wide range of wheel types. You can confidently use it on alloy, chrome, and aluminum rims, as well as white wall tires. Say goodbye to stubborn brake dust that mars the appearance of your vehicle. This remover is specifically formulated to break it down and wash it away. Achieve a brilliant, like-new shine on all your wheels. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a clean and impressive look for your car. With a generous 18-ounce size, you'll have plenty of product to keep your wheels looking their best. Enjoy long-lasting cleaning power. What we like. This cleaner is a fantastic option for car owners who want a powerful yet safe solution for their wheels. Its versatile formula works on alloy, chrome, aluminum rims, and even white wall tires, effectively removing brake dust. If you have a mix of wheel types or are looking for a product that handles tough grime without harsh chemicals, this is a strong contender. What people say. It is a great wheel cleaner that works really well on my black chrome wheels. This wheel cleaner is a great product that works very well on my black chrome wheels. Number 2. P&S Brake Buster Wheel Cleaner. Tired of stubborn brake dust and grime? Introducing our powerful yet non-acidic wheel cleaner. It effortlessly removes tough contaminants, leaving your wheels spotless. Our advanced non-acid formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your wheels. You can achieve a professional clean without worrying about harsh chemicals. Brake dust is no match for this cleaner. Watch as it dissolves and lifts away even the most baked-on brake dust with ease. Beyond brake dust, it tackles everyday dirt and light corrosion. Restore the shine and protect your wheels from further damage. Get ready for a showroom quality finish. This cleaner is designed to bring back the original luster of your wheels, making them look brand new. Experience a safe and effective way to clean your wheels. It's the professional choice for maintaining the pristine appearance of your vehicle. What we like. This cleaner is perfect for those dealing with heavily soiled wheels or stubborn contaminants. Its non-acidic formula is tough on brake dust, dirt, and even corrosion, making it ideal for neglected wheels. If you're looking for a heavy-duty cleaner that can restore heavily soiled rims without the risks associated with acid-based products, this is your go-to. What people say. The Meguiars A3955 All-Wheel Cleaner is a powerful formula that effectively removes brake dust and road grime without damaging clear coats or polished aluminum. It works quickly, cutting through tough dirt and leaving wheels looking like new with minimal scrubbing. The spray bottle design allows for easy and even application, ensuring all areas of the wheel are covered. Number 1. Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Introducing the ultimate solution for your wheels and tires. Experience a powerful clean that restores their original shine. This advanced formula is designed to cut through brake dust, road grime, and dirt with ease. It works hard so you don't have to. Watch as your wheels and tires transform from dull to dazzling. Achieve a showroom finish every time you use it. The convenient spray bottle makes application simple and effective. Just spray on, let it sit, and wipe away the mess. Perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs, this cleaner is a must-have for any vehicle owner. Keep all your wheels looking their best. Get more cleaning power with our large 24 fluid ounce bottle. You'll have plenty to keep your vehicle looking immaculate. What we like. This cleaner is for those who want quick and impressive results. It's designed to cut through tough brake dust and road grime rapidly, restoring the shine to your wheels and tires. If you're short on time but want your wheels to look their best with minimal effort, this product will deliver. What people say. The cleaner immediately got to work, effortlessly cutting through the grime, brake dust, and road dirt that had accumulated over time. The spray nozzle delivers a generous and even coverage, making the application process a breeze. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its effectiveness in removing tough, stubborn stains that other cleaners struggled with. The formulation is potent, yet gentle, ensuring that the wheel's finish remains unharmed during the cleaning process. The foaming action is thick and clings well to the wheel and tire surfaces, which gives you the feeling that it's really getting in there and breaking down the grime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.